Mount Pleasant FA failed to make a significant cut into Montego Bay United's lead as they could only manage a 1-1 draw with Arnett Gardens in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex on Monday.
With a rescheduled game on Thursday to come, Mount Pleasant FA could have moved it to the top of the table before Montego Bay United kick a ball again in the league. But that will not be possible after dropping 2 points against Arnett Gardens. Mount Pleasant were in the ascendancy when Raheem Edwards put them in front in the 56th minute. But any thoughts of victory was dashed 13 minutes later when Fabian Reed pulled the home team level for a share of the points. Mount Pleasant played the entire second half with 10 men as Deshaun Anglin was red-carded in the 45th minute.
It was a good performance by me and the team. We just come out and say we needed 3 points but also get 1. So that's go in the training pitch and come again.
The aim is to reach top 6. That is an objective enough to keep them focused. They have been playing some good football. The area that we're falling down in is in front of goal as you saw tonight. Once we can get that right, top 6, we should make top 6.
We're on top for most of the game. The red card kind of changed the game, but I thought we still were on top even after the red card because we scored with 10 men. We're playing away to Arnett, quality team, away. They're going to be difficult to beat. So I think they got a chance in the end and they scored. We didn't defend that cross well.
5th place, Waterhouse were ruthless against the cellar dwellers Spanish Town Police in a 5-1 win at Drewsland. Colorado Murray was on target twice for Waterhouse, with Denarda Thomas, Dwayne Berger and Mario Sims getting the other goals. Carlington Blackwood got Spanish Town Police's consolation.
We tried to get again the clean sheet, but we couldn't. But we need to work more in to clean sheet. No goals in our goal is so important because we are in an important time of the season.
I'm here. It's really disappointed to lose any game. We really didn't show up today. Kudos to Waterhouse. They really wanted it more than us today.
And it ended 0-0 between 3rd place Racing United and Treasure Beach. Racing are on 54 points, while Treasure Beach are on 30. The league continues on Thursday with Spanish Town Police hosting Mount Pleasant Royal Lake Sports Complex at 3:30 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.